In this lesson, we will specifically focus on the neck muscles. A good starting position to begin with is the descending hands technique because it covers both the neck and shoulders effectively. From the descending hands technique, we're going to advance to our first technique that focuses on the neck muscles. This is also our favorite technique for targeting the muscles of the neck. It's called the horizontal thumbs technique. To perform this technique, we move the thumbs outward from the center of the neck while applying pressure with a pushing movement. Try to cover the entire neck by slowly moving down each time after you bring your thumbs back together in the center. Watch out for overextension of the thumbs, as this can cause discomfort and fatigue. The frictions we learned about in the previous lesson can also be applied to the neck muscles. This is ideal for releasing deep tension, but keep in mind that it can be quite intense. Starting just below the ears, we want to work our way down towards the shoulders. You can use your fingertips for this. The more vertical your fingers, the deeper you can get into the muscle tissue. You can also use your thumb for this technique. Ensure that you do not squeeze the recipient's throat when applying pressure, as this can cause discomfort. Instead, make small circles with the tip of your thumb. Finally, we can use both thumbs at the same time, which is great for addressing the base of the skull at the top of the neck. Place both hands on top of the head and make the same kind of small circles as we did with the previous thumb frictions.